What's up, guys? Welcome to Pattay's Performance. Today in the driveway we have this literally beautiful, like new, brand new Ryobi 3000 PSI pressure washer that puts out 2.3 gallons per minute and is powered by a Honda GCV 160 overhead valve engine. Excuse me. The reason why it is here is because it doesn't put out any pressure. What do you call a pressure washer that doesn't put out any pressure? So I kind of prepped this individual about the cost of potentially a new pump, and he has no interest in doing that. And I think that is very, very unfortunate considering the condition and the caliber of this machine. Now, I just gave him a rough around price, but obviously that is subject to change without me seeing it and looking at the machine. So I'm just giving a quick gander at this. We are going to try one thing before we apply water to it, and then if that works, then we can write this thing off as fixed and we can go from there. So what we're going to do is we're going to be focusing on that black plug, and if you see, there's that staple right there. Okay, so you see that staple right here. Just going to take a flat tip screwdriver and work it out just like that. Yep, okay, we're still in view. I know this pressure washer moved. Okay, it comes out right there. Now what I'm gonna do is, this is just like a protective sleeve, like a, you know. So we're gonna remove this protective sleeve. I'm using hose clamps, and from here we're going to, this is called the unloader valve, and we're gonna push this out. Do not touch that adjustment screw on there. Oh, there we go. The unloader valve is now out, and what we're going to do is we're just going to move this back and forth like so. And that is it. That's all you could do to make sure to see if this valve is not stuck. Then what we're going to do is we're just going to put this back in like so. You're going to hear a click, and we're going to put this staple back in. You might have to give it a couple of love taps, but you guys get the point. Let me go get a hammer and improvise. Alrighty, so just to show you, I did turn it over on its side. You can turn it over on its side. Make sure the muffler is facing the ground. So we'll get this back up on its side. I'm gonna have to hook up some water to it and put you guys at a distance so you guys don't get wet. All right, so we have water hooked up to it. Pay attention. I never started. Hopefully this thing starts. He said it runs, it doesn't produce pressure, so let's see if he's being honest. There is gas in here. Smells like gas. On position. Start, and let's give it a rep and see if it changes. And the pressure is not changing. Oh, there you go. This works. Now, you guys can see how the pressure is different, but let's do another visual aspect. Let's hook up this hose and we will go from there. I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty skeptical. Usually when the unloader is stuck, you could feel it like it's pretty stiff, and it's what it's called is calcium. Calcium likes to build up. It's very prevalent. You know, here's a fun tip. If you have showers, you should. Your shower heads, you should be cleaning them at least once a month to prevent calcium buildup. And if you want to go a step further, you know those carb cleaning tools that I use? You can use that to clean your pressure washer, your shower head. So, all right. Now we have it running. Let's purge. It's always important to purge. Now I like to hold this and start it so it's easier to start. So engine on to the start, and let's give it a rip. There we go. Perfect. This thing's a runner and a winner, fixed, and literally we are going to be well under his budget. He got very lucky. Hopefully you guys get very lucky too. So again guys, if a pressure washer doesn't put out pressure, what do you call it? I don't know, but now it's a pressure washer again. Let me reach out to him. Let me tell him this thing is fixed, and hopefully you guys found this video informative and entertaining. Don't forget to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of Pattay's Performance. Later.